Tip it only?
That's it. I don't come out a lot.
Damn, tip it. That's it.
Yeah,
They say you the fastest Audi in the DMV.
I wish. Jeez. I don't even come out.
You got stock turbos still?
Stock turbos.
For real?
Yeah.
You pop the hood?
I mean, I can, but what you popping the hood for?
I was just trying to see. You know, you got to think for Audis. What the S4 trying to do too?
You gotta ask him. What you got 240? You got the 240 for him?
Oh, he got it with the jug in that jump.
240, where? It was 240 out here tonight.
10 seconds.
We got 550 for you, that's all.
550. So what y'all got for him?
He said he run you too.
Are you gonna run both the S4 too?
Yeah, I'll run them both.
Oh shit! All right.
You
You got something for the RS5? You might as well get all three of us in.
That's a new car, right? I mean, let me know something. Do you put this shit on?
The RS5 stock. The RS5 bone stock.
Y'all been saying that though.
Nah, his shit.
That bone stock and everything.
Now all my parts just came in. I just listed all my parts. My parts are at my house.
RS means
My
fast.
man, that's the RS5?
Yeah.
My man raced you in the Mustang.
Which
Kind
one?
of kept up with that jump.
I know I'm slow.
But he full bolts on the Eve. Some RS5s don't keep up with them jumps.
Hell no.
You bugging. I got the video on my phone if you want to see it right now.
For the race?
Yeah.
The Mustang still full bolts on E. Them jumps definitely.
It's 10 speed too.
Exactly. Stock RS5s are not.
You making it bad for yourself.
I just started racing.
I just know how to drive.
I raced
Driver mod did it.
before.
Driver mod did it. I know what a shift points is on the car. I learned the car a little bit.
I feel you.
But he the fast guy with the Beamer.
My shit is slow as shit.
The fuck out of it. Come on, man.
Like he active on IG way more than me.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. All he does is launch good. That's it.
Okay, and my car's slow.
You have an Audi. Y'all motherfuckers launch hard as fuck, so it's gonna be a race after the launch.
Mine's a boat, so.
His a boat. the matchup, the 5 Series is that car. That's the matchup right there.
Yeah, I feel like that's a good one. Anything like an M5, I'd be a waste of gas for him. Open straight up.
He moved and then he stopped.
Then he jumped. He moved and he stopped and he jumped.
Yeah, we call it. It's all
Your tires up, like I said, 5 second burnout.
Go, we got you.
You know what I'm saying? Get your shit sticky.
That one.
That light idea was smart as shit, 'cause that shit came right on.
Yep, that one clean. Clean. Clean.
They gonna, you already know they're gonna run it back now.
Clean. Yo, that shit fast. Yeah.
W for the win again. The whole goddamn night.
He was spinning his ass off.